Ladies and gentlemen, previously when starting a live stream or launching a video as a premiere, YouTubers only had the option to do such things in 15-minute increments, e.g. you can premiere or stream at o'clock, quarter past, half past, quarter to. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has now been changed. It can now be done literally right down to the minute. Let's have a look at what YouTube and Creator Insider had to say regarding.
If you schedule your live streams or premieres, we have exciting news to share. Until recently, you could only set and edit start times in 15-minute increments. Now, you can choose to start at any time you want, down to the minute. It's pretty easy to do. When you're setting a time for either a live stream or a premiere, in the Visibility tab, click the time and enter in your preferred start time.
Previously, creators had to schedule their live streams and premieres via preset 15-minute increments. The good news? That you will now be able to schedule your live streams, premieres, and scheduled videos on demand down to the minute.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. If I want to premiere a video at 17:17, I bloody well can. Anyway, I have other videos in this end screen. Feel free to go and give one a watch. I'll catch you next time. See ya.